should you do at school? Should you study? Probably, but there are plenty of other options. You may play mini golf, arrange an edible checker tournament, play the invisible battleship, and a lot more. How to do this? Watch it in our new Troom Troom video lesson. It's a boring class. Miss Smith has gotten carried away. She watched a soap opera last night, and now she imagines that she is the main heroine, seeing off her husband, who is a captain to a long sea voyage. Forget about the math. Her tears have flooded half of the classroom. By telling her sea adventure story, the teacher reminded us of a battleship game. But we've updated the version by using disappearing ink. Draw 2 fields for the battleship game in a notebook with a disappearing marker. Draw 2 square-shaped fields, the sides of which are equal to 10 squares. Draw ships on one field with the same marker. If you pour water on the notebook, there will be no trace left from the marker. The ships will be washed away, and they will totally disappear from the paper. The girls shoot down the ships of each other with enthusiasm, but Miss Smith is a real sea dog. She sees a sea battle from afar. In order to hide the traces of the game, the girls sink their ships with real water. The ink disappears, and Miss Smith opens empty notebooks. She has nothing to pick on. The notebooks are clean, but totally wet. It would be great to have a snack after the battleship, and my friend takes out her lunchbox at the right time. I hurry up to open it, expecting to see fruit and sandwiches inside. But what I see is a paperclip salad. Has she really gone on a metal diet? No, it's a new game. Heat up an awl above the flame. Make 2 holes in a plastic bowl. Pass through thick knitting yarn and tie knots at the ends. Cut off the excess. You get a hanging basket. Turn it over. Attach magnets around the bottom. You may use regular decorative magnets. Move the basket over the table and catch metallic clips with the magnets. Put your trophy into the basket. My friend scatters out the clips and catches them with the magnets. I repeat her trick. Who will gather more clips? It's real magic! Even Miss Smith has gone somewhere, and this is for the best. No one will disturb our clip fishing, but the fish inspector emerges from beneath the desk as an iceberg all of a sudden and takes away our fun lunchbox. Redhead takes out a new game, Bubble Mahjong. Take a piece of bubble wrap. Draw different symbols on the bubbles with a permanent marker. They should be repeated from time to time. Find identical symbols and pop the bubbles. We start playing with enthusiasm, popping identical bubbles one after another, but I lose control soon. I'm feeling stressed out instead of calmed down because of this bubble game. At the end of the day, I squeeze the game field and throw it away. Now I need a new calming game. Once her friend is so stressed out, then Redhead offers another game, bright and edible Skittles Checkers. Draw a field for checkers on a square of rice paper using a food marker. The field may have 10 cells across and lengthwise, or 8 cells as the one we have. Shade the cells to make a checkerboard. Take yellow and red candies out of a Skittles package. They will serve as checkers. Put them in the corners of the field for playing. The friends start playing, but Miss Smith keeps an eye on the desk. While Redhead is making a wide diversionary maneuver, I have nothing better to do than to eat all the evidence. I probably broke the record on speed eating the rice paper and Skittles. All the evidence of the game is destroyed. Miss Smith goes away empty-handed. I have never eaten candy so fast in my life. The games are over, so I'm writing notes. But my friend takes out a folder from under the desk. Still, there are no notebooks inside. There's a whole game world, an entire mini field for mini golf. Take a regular notebook folder with a rubber band and cover the inside with thick blue paper. Cut a golf field template with ball holes out of cardboard. Trace it on green felt and cut out. Make ball holes using a hole punch. Make the parts of the field out of yellow felt. Trace the paper templates and cut them out. Decorate the green zones with the yellow details. And glue the golf courses to the main field. Attach some chenille stem to the borders of the golf courses. Decorate the zones with little yellow stones. You may use fish tank stones. Now, make the golf clubs. Take plastic straws and thick paper. Cut a small oval out of the paper. Make a cut on the straw and put in the paper detail. Use toy bullets as golf balls. Drive a ball into a hole using a mini golf club. The friends take their tiny golf clubs and teeny balls. The mini golf is so itty-bitty and cozy, except there is no place for the girls to play together. Who will be the first to hit? I suggest using dice so that we don't quarrel or poke out each other's eyes with the clubs. The dice will show who is the first to hit. Cut marshmallow into cubes. Draw round dots with a food marker denoting pips on the facets. The sum of the pips on the opposite facets should be equal to 7. Turn all marshmallow cubes into the dice. The girls throw the dice. I get 6. It means that I win and I will be the first to play golf. Redhead is disappointed. The dice help their owner for sure. So that my friend won't get upset, I offer for her to eat the dice. Except that Miss Smith makes a remark for the girls to stop eating in class. Okay, then we will play golf. Redhead wins, and I can't manage to sink the ball into the cup. I try again, but the main referee of this tournament, Miss Golfsmith, comes. She confiscates the game. She seems to really like the mini golf. She can already teach golf instead of math. I have a secret snack, cotton candy. I treat my friend and want to play a little. First of all, I roll cotton candy into balls. Take apart a pen to get an empty barrel. Use the pen as a straw. Blow in it, directing the stream of air onto a ball. The winner blows the ball the furthest. I've come up with a cotton candy tournament, but my friends turned into a nerd, desperately taking notes. So I blow a ball on her side of the field. Well, the game has started. The girls keep blowing onto the cotton candy balls as hard as they can through their pens. But when there is not enough air in their lungs, they start wrestling. And this game is not for the faint-hearted. A cup catapult to hit the teacher. Cut off the bottoms of plastic cups with a heated knife. Attach decorative tape to the edge. Tie knots on balloons and cut off the tops. Pull the balloons onto the top part of the cups. Put a light table tennis ball into each. Pull the balloon and shoot with the ball. The girls are getting ready. Aim! Fire! The shot flies directly into the enemy's camp. Miss Smith survives bombing with courage, and she prepares to fight back. Redhead has something on her mind again. This time she takes wafers from under her desk, but they are not for a snack. We will play Wafer Jenga. Arrange all the wafers into a tower and take them out one by one so that the tower doesn't fall. The girls are so deep in the game that they fail to notice the impending threat. But it seems that Miss Smith loves Jenga too. Or she likes wafers. Anyways, she's also in. Finally, the teacher understands that taking away the students' games is pointless. It is better to play with them. Moreover, some games are edible. Did you like our school games? Then write in your comments how you will entertain yourself and your friends during a boring class. Will you arrange a mini golf tournament, make a cotton candy ball race, or play wafer?
Do it! Rank Core's Beauty Hack. hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. You'll never be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new surprise. The channel that will blow your mind.